wanted to show you why you pound down your soap. So whenever you see people tapping their soap down, this is why. See these great big holes right here and right here? Here's another one right there. These are two different lobes. Apparently I didn't get them knocked down enough, and these little holes are what happens when you don't pound it down so that the soap gets compacted in there fully. So that is why you pound down your soap. Please like, subscribe, and share. We will see you guys next time.